First game, Firestorm versus the Sapphire. Uy! Ako si Angelo, tigadala. Traveling. I'll go down to see your mouth. Still. Score by the Sapphire. Steal by the Sapphire. Oh, he did not catch it. Nice shot by the Firestorm. Foul. Ba't binibidyo ang kuha eh?
Huwag ka na magsalita.
YouTube to. Traveling. Okay, we're gonna see this in action. Sapphire ball, I think. Wag. Oh! Nice shot. Oh, what the hell is that? What the hell is that?
What's the score?
Oh, what the hell is that? Nice owning by the Sapphire. Owning. Sino yan? Si Nico, no?
Si Princess. Nice shot. Okay, I'm gonna go up. Dali. Yan, natalo.
Lahat!
Sabo. Wag. Tol. Wag na, wag.
Austin!
Wag.
First half, dalawa. Second half. First half, dalawa. Second quarter.
Oh, what the? Oh. Oh. Still by the Firestorm. 3 points by the man. By the man. Oh, I can zoom it. Wait, I can zoom it. What the hell is this? Sorry, my hand's a little shaky. Foul, foul, foul. Apagod. Dali, mamaya. Dali lang. Sa taas na tayo, mas maganda dun. Oo na, BJ. Firestorm got owned. Oh, nice shot. Foul, defensive foul, yo. Yo, Michael. Wait, I'll watch a free throw. Sorry, my hand's a little shaky. Oh, what is that? Foul once again by the Sapphires.
Uy, ano Austin? Sab na. Sab! Sab, kikis!
Thirteen seconds remaining, I think. Oh, he can't chase it. 6 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Oh, a block by the Sapphires. 3 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Gay.
The first quarter is done. The score is, I don't know. I will go there.
10-7.
Wait, I'll go there. I'll go there. Wait, I'll pause this. I'll pause this. How can I pause this? Oh no, I don't know how to pause this. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, I'll go down. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay. Once again, we're in the Gerald Trias Sports Complex in the Philippines. Yo, it's the players, man, yeah. And that's Justin Bieber look-alike, eh? See, look at that. Changing the pace, eh? The players of the Sapphire team. The players. Here is the score. The Sapphire 10, the Firestorm 7. The Firestorm, I don't know. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung paano i-pause ito. Yes, the players of the Firestorm. The players of the Firestorm. And that's not the player. Players of the Firestorm. Look at this, guys, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Isidro. Paano ba i-pause? Alam mo ba kung paano i-pause? Huh? Here is the man who knows how to pause this camera.
Pause mo lang dito.
Paano?
Ano?
To pause this camera.
Natapos na.
A handsome guy, is he?
Here.